Good morning, everyone. This is Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And today we are going to discuss about the topic, the people-centered approach. So this is the topic comes under the Unit 1, Introduction to the Design Thinking. So come, let's get into the topic. So, what is actually a people centered approach? So, design thinking is a process or mindset and approach to solving complex problems, also known as human centered design. It is a philosophy that empowers an individual or team to designing products, service systems, and experiences that address the core needs of those who experience a problem. A, a people centered approach solutions are grounded to the needs. And so the design thinking approach origin of IDEO 1991, Kevin David Kelly design plus ID2 2001 break from traditional realm of designs. So the design thinking approach shifting of focus from look and functionality to a broader approach encompassing the system. So design thinking is not just like a design only, design or aesthetic, but it improves the system functionality also. So, design thinking approach human initiative process, emotional meaning, given preference over rational over analysis. Generates products with long lives and define new rules around your core competence, makes it difficult for competitors. Halo effect enhances value of your other products and services builds. Design thinking approach implementation prototyping may not have the final product graphics or blood donations. So four W's process. So whenever the design thinking is come to the discussion, we have to see four W's. That means what is and what if, what works and what works. So first thing, what is means exploring the current reality, and what if that means envisioning alternative futures. Then what was is getting users to help us make some tough choices. Then what works? Making it work in market and as a business. So these are all the four W's we have to see. So once again, that is, what if, what works, and what works. The empathy. So empathy comes into the picture. That is, it is a centerpiece of a human-centered design process. Already we know, and it is your effort to understand the way they do things and why their physical and emotional needs, how they think about the world, and what is meaningful to them. These are all called as an empathy. So we can see from this image, empathy means so what actually the other people is thinking about something. We have to stand on their shoes and we have to understand their needs and difficulties. So accordingly, we have to play the role. Unless otherwise, if you are doing some products or anything, if it is not useful to them, then finally the thing that means the total system will be a failure. That means the empathy we are not caring about. That means so. This is the importance of the empathy. So here we have a market type. So are you entering a existing market? Are you re-segmenting a market? Are you creating a new market? So types of a customers: decision maker, economic buyer, recommenders, influencers, users, saboteurs. So these. So when you are thinking of to do the marketing type of jobs, right? We have to look those types of empathy. I mean points, key points. It's a people-centered approach. Already we have discussed many times that design thinking, that is empathy, is a people-centered approach. Only we have to look everything in their own perspective. Okay, so that is called a people-centered approach. So you can see top-down approach is the people-centered approach. We have a top-down approach, and we can local authorities, scientific advisories, and public. So these are all the some people group of peoples we have to consider whenever we are developing any kind of innovations. So this is some problem. So for this kind of a problem, how we are solving the problem, that we are by using the design thinking, that is a very important one. So this is one example. So let's have the assessment. So you can see from this image, the vehicle, the car vehicle is stuck up in this one dig, right? So how, from your perspective, how you will solve this problem? This is your assignments. You group up your team members and solve this, and tell the answer, uh, tell the appropriate answer for this kind of a problem. Thank you.